Now, let us take a look at the different types of advertising. Advertising can be classified as print advertising, broadcasting advertising, outdoor advertising, covert advertising, surrogate advertising, public service advertising, celebrity advertising or endorsement, and guerrilla advertising. To begin with, let us take a look at the print advertising. Print advertising is a form of advertising that uses physically printed media such as magazines, brochures, newspapers, flyers, and directory advertising. The advertisements aired on internet, radio, and television is considered as broadcasting advertising. The broadcasting advertising reaches a wider audience as opposed to the print advertising. Outdoor advertising is any advertising that is done outdoors that publicizes your business's products and services. The types of outdoor advertising include flags. Outdoor advertising is any advertising that is done outdoors that publicizes your business's products and services. The types of outdoor advertising include flags, banners, building or fence wraps, billboards, and events. Covert advertising refers to an advertising that is hidden in other media, such as a product or brand is placed as an insert in a movie, which is normally endorsed or patronized by a celebrity acting in the movie. Surrogate advertising is a form of advertising which is used to promote banned products like cigarettes and alcohol in the disguise of another product. Unlike traditional advertising, public service advertisings are primarily designed to inform and educate the public to bring in awareness, changing public attitude and behavior towards a social issue. The public service advertisings are circulated in the market without any cost and is for public welfare. Celebrity advertising is nothing but using a famous person's image to sell products or services by focusing on the person's money, popularity, or fame to promote the products or services. Guerrilla marketing is an advertising strategy that focuses on low-cost, unconventional marketing tactics designed for businesses to promote their products or services in an unconventional way. This involves high energy and imagination, focusing on grasping the attention of the public in more personal and memorable level. The different types of guerrilla marketing are ambient and ambush marketing. The ambient advertising is all about placing the ads on unusual items or in unusual places. Ambush advertising is a marketing strategy in which an advertiser ambushes an event to compete for exposure against competing advertisers. Now, let us take a look at the advertising channels from an advertiser's point of view. Shown here are three types of media, namely. Now, let us take a look at the advertising channels from an advertiser's point of view. Shown here are three types of media, namely the paid, owned, and earned media. The paid media serves as a method for gaining positive publicity by running ads through paid advertising. The owned media consists of promotion channels controlled by one entity or organization, and the earned media is the result of positive publicity gained promotional efforts other than advertising. This brings us to the end of this module. Let us summarize the essence of this module. Advertising is at the front of delivering the proper message to customers and prospective customers. Advertising has adapted huge changes along with the evolution of new technologies. The advertising can be classified as print advertising, broadcasting advertising, outdoor advertising, covert advertising, surrogate advertising, public service advertising, celebrity advertising or endorsement, and guerrilla advertising.